Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to perform a small video on how to create a own Linux vmdk lab. Whenever we are doing a lab for citrix netscaler and a file load balancer to practice in a home environment lab, so we require a web server. So configure router as also a web server, but we have readily available resources in this michaelveric.com downloads. In this website I got a tiny linux, so its size is very minimal, that is 32 MB. So it's available in OVA and OVF format. So I have already downloaded these two images and I kept it in my desktop. So what we will do is we need to do a three steps. First, create the directory in evng and rename that whatever the downloaded image we need to transform from my desktop to evng and rename that image and do the fix permissions. So I have already logged into the evng CLI. So first I need to create a directory with the linux-ttylinux folder. So let's jump into that folder, and right now I don't have any file in that folder. So let's log into the winscp and refresh it. Here I can see able to see the folder, and we need to transfer disk.vmdk file from my desktop to evng. So we have a OVA format image also, so we can install that in VM as well. So in my next video I will install that in VM. So as of now it's got a file here, so let's rename that file with a to sda.qcode to format. So we can do that one with command. Okay, so right now I have a two image, one is sda.qco and one other is vm.vmdk file. So I don't want vmdk, so refresh it and delete that one. Okay, so enter the fix permissions command. Okay, done. So we'll do a small lab. So I will use a one interface, management interface, to connect, and node as linux. So here I need to select it linux-ttylinux, and RAM I need wanted 36 MB, and most important thing is I need to change the nick card of qemu. You have to select E1000, so then only the interface will show it in. When you do a if config, the interface will show, or else it will not show in the if config, only the loopback interface will pop up. So right now it's booting. Okay, so it's up and running. So it's asking for me enter the username, and username is root. Okay, username is root and password is password. Okay, so let me check the if config interface. So here I can able to see the e0 interface, and it's DHCP enabled, so that's why it took the IP address. So if you want to configure the IP address based on your requirement, so you need to change the interface details. So for that we have a command called vi-etc /sysconfig /network scripts /ifconfig -if0. For if0 I wanted to change the IP address, so for that I have included if0 as a interface in my script. So hit enter. So here it comes as a IP address, whatever you wanted to have, you can mention. So to change, press I. To edit, you can mention 238. I wanted 140 as IP address. Network ID is 238.0, and default gateway is 238.2. okay, so you can disable DHCP disable, no, and if you want to exit from this, press escape, shift I, Q, and save and exit. So okay, let me check once again whatever the changes we have, whether it's reflecting or not. So as of now it's not reflecting. Why? Because we need to restart the service. So for that, service network restart. Okay, so service is got restarted. So let me check if config. Okay, 238.140. So okay, it's can able to see the IP address. Okay, so this tiny image will work as a SSH, HTTP, and FTP server as well. So if we are using as a HTTP, so we need to change the HTML file. So for that, vi hyphen, this is a home directory, and this is a th ttpd is http daemon, and index.html, index.html. Here we see hello world. Okay, so if you want to change, press I to edit and delete whatever you want to do. This is vmdk web server 1. So I made the changes, so let's save the changes whatever we have made. So press escape, shift. Okay, so it's exited. Okay, so right, we'll access via browser. So http 192.168.238.14. okay, we can able to see the web server 1. So similarly we can create multiple web servers based on your lamp, and I think instead of using router, so we can use this web server. So this web server will provide three main features, that is SSH, HTTP, and FTP services. So I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to say thank you for watching.